How to fix if the photos is not showing up in your messages. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll guide you on how you can fix photos not showing up in your messages. Well, first things first, what you can do is simply scroll down your notification bar, whether on Android or iOS, and then enable the flight mode for a while, and then again disable it back again. Now you want to ensure that both your mobile data and Wi-Fi is turned off, and then you can turn it back again. Now most of the time it is just your internet connection, so check your internet connection. Also make sure to ensure your phone has enough storage. Also verify that your messaging app has permission to access your photos, and make sure MMS Messaging is enabled in your phone settings. Now if on an iPhone, also check if iMessage is turned on and consider restarting your device or resetting network settings. Now here first head into settings in order to reset your network settings, and then head into general. Under general here, you want to simply scroll down to the bottom and find transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it and then tap on reset option at the bottom, and now you can see reset network settings. Go ahead and reset the network settings, and now look if the photo has been received or has opened up. So hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comment down below if you have any further issues.